Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new feature, how to add dancing avatar on music Instagram story. So this is the new feature, latest update on Instagram. All you have to do now, create Instagram stories like before, and here you can add to story music only. Here you can search the music that you want to add. For example, this one. And here we go, you can add only music on Instagram stories, and also you can add your avatars by tap on your search music here, the icon at the top of your screen, and then add your avatar. Here, as you can see, the avatar is dancing on the top of your music. And of course you can change your avatar. Here, this is the idol avatar or the dancing one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.